Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. For today's video, nandito po tayo sa Zucubia Park. It is located here in Pampanga. Ito po guys ay pang second place destination ng educational field trip ng aking anak. Kaya let's go, pasukin po natin ang zoo. Let's explore what's inside. And right at the entrance gate of the park, we can see these signs. And I think it might surprise us, but I think this is the reality. So let's find out po. Who is the greatest threat to animals? Let's check inside to find the answer. So, pina-slow motion ko po ito guys para makita natin kung sino talaga yung greatest threat sa ating mga animals. One, two, three. Oh, it's you. It's me. I saw my own reflection in the mirror. And it's us. And we humans are the number one causing harms and hurting our animals. It is a sad truth, but we really hurt our animals in many ways. That's why school, zoos, and parks are educating our students and youth on how to protect and restore the environment and habitats of our animals. So every one of us guys plays an important part to our animals' lives. Let's continue exploring the park and let us not be sad of our what we learned earlier, because ganun lang naman yun. It is just simply that if we love our animals, they will absolutely also love us. But my son joked me. He said they will probably eat us for dinner. Just kidding. Okay guys, let's continue. The image speaks of itself. Just keep the reflection.
Stop! Why don't you video it? Look, nobody's videoing. You're just saying.
Wow, may mga horse, right?
I wanna ride a horse.
And for those who want to visit the Zucubia Park in Pampanga, the park is open daily from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And the entrance fee, 495 pesos for adult, 395 pesos for kids, and for the kids 3 feet below are free. Kids here are allowed to feed animals like the goat. Then, yan, pwede po silang mag-feed dyan. And also can have zip line here. Parents or guardians are allowed to join in. Kagaya ko, sinamahan ko yung anak ko dahil natatakot siya, may fear of height. But I encourage him to try it. At ito po ay may extra bayad. At pwede rin po dito mag-horseback riding. And may mag-pictorial po sa camel. Ayan, sa camel. Yan, marami din po itong activities. At mag-i-enjoy din po ang kahit family adventure. Yun, kung gusto nyo mag-fun day, family fun day, then pwede rin po dito sa zoo. Be careful, Kuya Macloyd.
Oh my God!
Pila na! So, nandito na naman po tayo sa souvenir shop. Hindi talaga nakaligtas sa anak ko ang souvenir shop. Kaya tayo mga mommies, pag sumama tayo sa field trip ng ating mga anak, kailangan may extra budget po tayo dahil hindi po talaga sila matitigil hanggat hindi mapagbibigyan sa kanilang mga gusto. Di po ba? And ayan po ang aming nabili sa souvenir shop. I bought ref magnet, pamaypay, at yung katana. Katana daw, katana sword. Yun ang tawag. Katana. Magagamit po ito guys pag nag-United Nations and then yung bansa na i-represent ay Japan. So, pwede pong isama to sa costume. And, ayan po, ay bumili po kami ng toys para po sa kanyang little brother.
Macloyd, hawakan mo na to. What's up, bro? Tara, Macloyd, dito. Iayos mo yung paghawak. Flax and feather. Picture ka na dito, Macloyd. Picture. Doon. Narti ka pa. Dali na dito. Ay, gano'n yun na yun. Nasaan pa ba? Tara na. Mamaya. Hi.
And ito po yung nabili naming pasalubong na toys para sa kanyang little brother. It is love birds and it is battery operated kaya gumagalaw at may sound. I would like to take a moment to thank you all for the wonderful support and for watching my premiere at sa lahat po ng mga magre-replay nitong aking video. Thank you so much and abangan po ang sasunod naming destination, the third destination sa Clark Safari and Adventure Park. So see you there!